Well, I got a quick weekend here to help calibrate a trolling motor for my brother, and lo and behold, the time got away from me. So I'm on the last day of the trip, right in the morning by myself, and I'm going to take his beautiful 16-foot Lund Fury out for a test drive.
My objective is to stop the trolling motor from adjusting the position too aggressively. The motor's software is factory tuned to control a boat of a specific size. Motors with more thrust are designed to control larger boats. The 70-pound PowerDrive troller on this boat is usually fit on a larger watercraft, so the automation is too aggressive with the default settings. Thankfully, it is easy to tune the automation for a smaller boat. Now that I'm set up on the water, let me walk you through the procedure.
From the menu here, I want to go down till it says System, and then after System, you want to scroll down to the one that says Boat Scale, and then hit the check mark, and then it gives you a 0, +1, +2. This is a little bit smaller boat, so let's put it on a -1, and I'll check mark it, and then let's close that off. And I'm pretty sure that's all you need to do on this trolling motor to set it up.
An oversized trolling motor can be a great asset for a variety of fishing conditions. However, you should tune the motor settings to match the watercraft size. This prevents the automation from overcorrecting when attempting to position the boat, and helps you focus on landing that fish.